Hello YouTubers! Welcome in our competition. This is Tom from Spectro Light, and today we want to present you two products, similar product. The first product is our Spectro Light Blast Plus 400, and this is a competitor Lumatek 465. Let's see what they got inside and talk about the advantage and disadvantage both of this product. Let's talk about the Lumatek. Lumatek is based on the small SMD chips, which is great about efficiency. They have a great heat sink for temperature dispersion, so that make those type of light are very efficient. One thing is missing in this field, that is not durable. I mean, our fixture, we are using the lens, which is making the up to 10% of losses of light, but it's resist for any problem of the scratch or dust and very easy to clean up. And about the lenses, we're using the glass, which is very bulletproof. It's unscratchable. You cannot even scratch this by the scissor or knife or other mechanical devices, which is great. The disadvantage of this lens is we are sacrificing about up to 10% of light, because light is losing on the lens. In this application, they don't sacrifice this light, so which is great, and they have a better efficiency, about 5 to 10%, because they don't use the lens. And Lumatek doesn't do this, because they're using the surface silicon surface coating or plastic protector, which is very fragile for mechanical stress and not easy to clean. Just imagine one thing. In a grow box, there is a lot of plenty of evaporating water with the nutrition, and those nutrition is condensing on the surface on these lenses, and then you have to clean it. And when you clean it, it's very possibility that you are scratch the lens. And if you scratch the lens, scratch the phosphor, you will not have a product which will be working for the next 4-5 years. It will be very short lifetime. In past, we're using the same technology. We have the same technology in our portfolio. This is our fixture, which is the same technology as a Lumatek. This is a small SMD on the heat sink, coating by the silicon surface. It's great in laboratory. It's not great in real life. So please remember about it. Our philosophy about building the best fixture for a grow application is based on the simple rules. Make it simple and durable. This is our intention. That's why we're using the glass lenses versus plastic and silicon coated. And we're using both technology, small SMD chips with the very high powerful COB chips. COB chips, it can be worse than normal SMD chips, but we're using active cooling with the fan, which is water resist totally. So you can put into the water our fixture and it will be survive. Of course, don't do this. So the COB chips is great in a high power basement of the spectrum, and supplemented by the SMD chips, which we also use, and protect by the glass lenses, provide you the product which is durable, simple, and maybe good enough Lumatek. Let's see in the test. But I will not bore you about the test, so I will speed up the test, and after all I show you the result and link it down below, and you can see the result. And of course I will provide you the competitor order from Lumatek in the future. Let's find out who is the best. We got a winner. And not surprise me, but they are similar. In fact, they consume very similar power. So the Lumatek takes power consumption at level 466. So it's not exactly that they mentioned on the paper. And we got 444. So it's similar. And those power consumption when it's cold. When it's hot, of course, both products drop about 10 watts. In our warm fixture, we have 430, and Lumatek is 450. So they are similar. But let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of those light distribution. The Lumatek is greater in the corner, so it's great for uniformity. But after the corner, 20 centimeters from the corner, clear winner is a Spectro Light. In averaging, when we sum up all the measures and divide by the number of the measures, so we'll make the comparison that the winner is, everybody waiting, Spectro Light. Sorry, I didn't make it like this, but it's true. We got the average number 792. Lumatek got 758. So if we are comparing the for power consumption, it's make that we are 10% more light, produce more light than Lumatek, even that Lumatek doesn't have lenses, which make our system its work. And you can be sure that we are producing the more light from the same amount of power consumption, and in this competition, we are the winner. To prove it, we will send our fixture to the other laboratory. I think it will be in Migro, and the Migro will compare the same system to other system, and we will see if this will be proved. Thanks for watching, and please follow us for our next review.